Participants link, accessing and sorting participants. To access the Participants link in your course, open the navigation drawer and click on the Participants link. The Participants page appears, and you can see the names of the people associated with your course. To make more room on your screen, you can close the navigation drawer. Our sample course has only 5 participants. But if you have more than 5, you will be happy to learn the different ways you can sort the list. First, you can find a specific participant by choosing the first letter in the first name and the first letter in the surname. To return to all participants, choose the All button in both the first name and the surname areas. You can also sort the list based on selected headings, such as first name, surname, email address, and last access to course. From the Participants link, you can also send a course message to multiple participants. In this example, I would like to send a reminder to 3 students to bring their journals to class tomorrow. On the Participants page, I click in the checkbox by the name of the people who I would like to receive this message. I locate the With Selected Users area at the bottom of the list and click on the drop-down in the Choose area. Here, I will choose to send a message. The message pop-up window appears. I type my message inside. When I'm finished, I click on the Send Message to 3 People button. Of course, if there were 4 people, it would say Send Message to 4 People. The message has been sent. Participants will receive the message up in their message notification area by their name.